Hey, stylish people. Happy Monday. Get ready with me. Let's go straight into accessories. So I'm going with this white on silver set from Avon. It includes the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. In the deep, you have my heart inside. And for my outfit, I'm doing monochrome. I love me some black on black. I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the... Before I go any further, I want to tell you about these jeans. So I love that they're the sky-high wide leg jeans. They come all the way up over the belly, up the back, smooth. But I love how they have these different white spots pattern on them that give it like a texture feel, even though they're not texture. Super cute. We could have had it all. Alright, and for my shoe, I'm going with the flat. I love this pointy toe pattern. I love these shoes. And they're going to go good with this outfit, I believe. So we'll see. And this is the finished look. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It's the style.